Hello everyone, I am on this alt account so I can play this game called Museum Tycoon. If you've played this is a good game and I love it. I've played this a few times and it is a great game. So let's get into it. Go to buttons to build new parts of your museum. So that's sidewalk. Each item you buy will increase the amount of cash you make. Exhibit items will give you extra bonus cash. You can collect your cash at the ATM. Interact. Takes a long time. Enjoy unlocking exhibit, exploring the map, and getting customers into your own museum. Good luck. Okay, so I'm gonna buy the base. Cool. Entrance free. Here we go. Some good cash right there. Okay, let me see. Do I have enough? Yeah. Here we go. Let me see what you can. What does the high graphics do, anyways? Let me see. Ah, you don't see the shadows. That's cool. Put the high graphics on, even though it might break my PC. Okay. Now verify to earn bonus cash. I want to see if say Russo works. I doubt it. Your username is invalid. Try again. Maybe my name. Dylan GR. Please wait 8 seconds before trying. Oh my god, this game is so weird. Trees. Yeah, trees. Wow. Okay. Clicking those buttons. Putting the key card. Getting my cash. Ah, that's good cash right there. I thought it just said golden trees. Maybe I was wrong. Leave in the comments if it said golden trees instead of just some trees. Leave in the comments down below. Thank you very much. I wish I had Roblox to get the auto collect, but I have 0. Wow. Oh my god. Can't wait till I get the big base part. Like, I think railings looks cool. Oh, benches. When do we get this part? I'm gonna get this part. So, there's not much to talk about in this game. Like, there's just barely, all you do is go around, you go in this thing, you collect your money, you make it look cooler. It's okay, yeah. You know? Oh, I just got the walls there. I was curious when I was gonna get that. Oh, that looks like nice. That's nice. Maybe in the next video I'll show you it on my main account, and it will look a ton different. And I earn a ton of money in that account. Garden. That's nice. I can look at other people from here. Oh, I wanna go over there. Nah. Okay, right here. That's good. Oh, I just thought I didn't have enough. The roof. Ah, that's beautiful. Lights. Light, camera, action. That's the song I got. Bam. Ooh, that's fancy. That's fancy right there. Okay, the parking lot. That is so satisfying. Did you hear that? It was like boom, 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 then building instruments. That was pretty nice. That is a big shadow. Watch this. So you see there's a shadow there. And there isn't. That, yeah. Shadow. Fly. I wish I could get that. I might do a part 2 of this. So, you never know. You might see me doing a part 2 and... Oh, customers. Oh, hi. Welcome to my beautiful place. I might do a part 2 as well. So, stay on my channel so you can see that. It's very... The game is very good. You gotta say, like... Oh, not bad. Free! What is this one? Make gold increase value. Runestone, oh, sorry. Get that moolah. Love the ching. My next video, if I have enough time, I might end the video, and I might not do part 2. But you can purchase exhibit artifacts to increase revenue more. Cool. Well, you can now go to this exhibit's ATM to collect cash. I know that. I knew that all along, didn't I? Nice. Keep buying exhibit to increase your cash. Nice. What was I saying? I might do a part 2 of this if I don't have enough time, but if I do have enough time, I might end it, and then the next video I might do it on, I'll show you on my main account. So stay tuned to find out. Oh, click on these guys. Ooh. Hit. Okay. Click it. Ooh. Now this is what I call a museum. Okay. That's kind of boring. Rune stone is pretty cool. Thank you. Thank you, customer. Thank you very much. Yeah. That's the rune stone right there. You better love it. This is a very good artifact. Oh, that obelisk is cool. Do you like my artifacts, Mr. Oh. Do you like my artifacts? Aye, we're dancing together. Who are you? Antonio! Ah ha 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 ha. Ha ha. And Adhalha. Really? That is, I don't know what she was saying there. Hello, good miss. What's your name? I want to say hi. Brady. Hi, my name is Brady. Nice to meet you. Thank you. I'm Dylan. Let me see. Boom! That's some cash right there. Let me see the main one. Whoa. How much do I get here? Oh, just 30. 30 isn't bad, isn't it? It's not bad. Let me see how much I get in this one. Okay, there's a lot of money here. 31. Not bad. So there's probably more stuff around here. Oh yeah, I see some. See that one. What's this? Oh, more gardens. What is, oh, didn't see this. Bench. Wow. Very important. What's this? A car exhibit. How does that make sense? That's so weird. Oh my gosh. 250,000 grand. That I only have 6K. Bro. Oh, come. Hi. RTR 400,000. I'm not paying for those stuff. I only have one thing I can buy. It's these. What is this? Whoa. What? You must purchase. Okay. Hi. You come to this place with nothing in it. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah. That's weird. You just come to the night. Oh, hi. You going to that place? Wow, you have a great face. Thank you. Am I very handsome? I think. think I'm very handsome. A lot of people are saying that I'm very handsome. Yeah. And that is a good face right there. What? You have a weird face. Give it. I want to know you. Oh, Alexandra. Wow, I really like your place, Roblox. Roblox. Okay, I am not Roblox. I'm Dylan. Wow. Maybe I have. Oh, I just haven't been on this account in ages. That's why it's called Roblox. And I still don't know why. Wee. Bam. Bam. That's nice. Easy windows. Wow. Okay. I'm not going to spoil this, but I'll give you a hint what that one is. This is a cool one. It has Jupiter in it. If you know what it is, leave a comment down below, and then you'll see in my good account. Then, if you're correct, if you can say no, if you say, oh, I don't know, just leave in the comments what you think, and if you think I'm right, then say yes. If you think I'm wrong, just say no. And then in my real account, I'll show you, and it's, yeah, I'll just show you. Okay, not now, sorry, not now. Not now. Oh. Oh, 7 grand. That's nice. Ugh, is that a dead body? Is there a dead body in there? If there's a dead body in there, then that's just, that's weird. I might have to end the video in, now, so if you like this, then can you please like and subscribe? It would really help my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.